Assalamu alaikum. I have a laptop here that has a power problem. It is a Dell Latitude E5570. I want you to focus on the charger LED and see what will happen because this is important. As you can see, the charger's LED turned off when I connected the adapter to the laptop. I have already tried a different adapter but the problem persists. So I think this means that the main power rail is shorted or something like that. The customer mentioned that someone tried to assemble the motherboard on the metal chassis without installing the insulation cover. Therefore, the motherboard touched the metal, and of course, after connecting the charger, this caused a short circuit somewhere on the motherboard. They had already installed the insulation cover, but it was too late. Let's try one more time. Yes, too late. I took out the motherboard in order to check it. This is our motherboard number. I will bring my multimeter to check if there is any short circuit or not. Yes, I have a dead short on the DCN socket. It is less than 2 ohms. The positive pin of the DCN socket is shorted to ground. There is no short on the current sensing resistor. So the short is on the DCN side. I think this is much better and easier to fix. I can inject some voltages here on the shorted pin, then we'll see which component heats up. But before that, I can do a visual inspection to the entire motherboard. I found this ceramic capacitor on the other side. It looks broken. Maybe it is defective. Let's check with the multimeter. Yes, it is shorted as you can see. According to the board view, the shorted capacitor is PC7. It is 10 microfarad 0805 size. I also looked on the schematic to make sure from the value. It is after the first DCN MOSFET and before the second MOSFET. That's why we don't have short on the current sensing resistor. Now I will desolder the capacitor, then we'll see if the short is gone or not. Yes, there is no short anymore. I will bring a donor board to get a similar capacitor from it. This capacitor has the same value and size too. I will take it to my board. The new capacitor is good. And no more short on the DCN socket too. Anyway, I have to measure the resistance to ground on each coil before connecting the adapter to make sure there is no short anywhere else. Everything looks fine. Now I will connect the adapter. Bismillah. Good, the charger LED is on. I need to measure some voltages before assembling the device. Nothing is missing. I will assemble the laptop and try it. As you can see, it is working fine. The problem was just with this ceramic capacitor. Always be careful when assembling a laptop. Don't throw away any adhesive tape or insulation cover from the motherboard. I hope you learned something useful from this video. We'll see you soon, inshallah, in another one. Assalamu alaikum.